controlling your time is the highest. Divided money pays freedom. The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. People want to become wealthier to make them happier. Happiness is a complicated subject because everyone's different. But if there's a common denominator in happiness, a universal fuel of joy, it's that people want to control their lives. The ability to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want, for as long as you want, is priceless. It is the highest dividend money pays. More than your salary, more than the size of your house. More than the prestige of your job. Control over doing what you want, when you want to, with the people you want to, is the broadest lifestyle variable that makes people happy. Money's greatest intrinsic value, and this can't be overstated, is its ability to give you control over your time. To obtain, bit by bit, a level of independence and autonomy that comes from unspent assets that give you greater control over what you can do and when you can do it. A small amount of wealth means the ability to take a few days off work when you're sick without breaking the bank. Gaining that ability is huge if you don't have it. A bit more means waiting for a good job to come around after you get laid off, rather than having to take the first one you find. That can be life-changing. 38% of jobs are now designated as managers, officials, and professionals. These are decision-making jobs. Another 41% are service jobs that often rely on your thoughts as much as your actions. No one, not a single person out of 1,000, said that to be happy you should try to work as hard as you can make money to buy the things you want. No one, not a single person, said it's important to be at least as wealthy as the people around you. And if you have more than they do, it's real success. No one, not a single person, said you should choose your work based on your desired future earning power. All you should share your experience, desire, and skill set to earn money. Subscribe to us and get updated video how to protect money.